And hello everyone, today we're gonna play a game that called Survive the Natural Disaster. Yep, I already bought Balloon. I played it lots of times. I put the videos on my old YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna play and I'm turning into survivor. Yeah, I'm gonna be a survivor today, so I have no idea what to do, where to go, and what disasters is. I hope it's not a tsunami because it's impossible. I have no idea what we should do. I don't want to say what we should do, just tsunami! Get high ground! You know, man, I need to eat the apple. I need another time. I think it's a safe place because you know, I think it's safe. Holy moly, I need to jump! Let's go, I survived! Bro, look what happened to the building. It's absolutely crashed! Holy moly, man. Lads, I want you to like and subscribe. I hope we're gonna hit 70 subscribers. So, I actually hope we're gonna hit 70 subscribers. Oh, I need to lose my apple. I need to stay alive. I need to stay alive, man. Oh, lads, I survived. School. Okay. As I say, it's not gonna be that easy to survive. Let's see how many times that I survived. Oh, I'm second place here. Oh, I'm third. Wait, what is it? What is the map? Where's the map? No, I hate this. I say I need to go inside. Yeah, I need to go inside. I knew this. Me and bro are gonna stay inside. And we're gonna stay alive. I think I can just stay right here. I don't think it's gonna be easy to survive. Let's say hi to this bro. Hi. Hi. Bro just around me. Oh, there's lots of people. 8 mud, but what the hell? Oh my god, it's all breaking. I think we're gonna survive this time. But I don't know. safest place. Bro, I have most health. I'm surviving so good. Let's see what map we're gonna get next. I think we're gonna play like, we're gonna do some extreme things. We're gonna try to kill people. Bro, this girl needs an apple. Bro, just look at her. This, well, what is he saying? Okay, doesn't matter. Oh, big map. Bro just jumped off. What an idiot. Bro, am I the only one that has a balloon here? Imagine if it's like something like toxic rain. Bro, you need to go to the car if it's toxic rain. I'm just gonna hide here in case something scary will happen. Bro, look. I say this place is safe. Okay, it's... No one is gonna find me here. Bro's gonna die. Yeah, bro's gonna hide in the car. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here, that's all. Up 2! 3. He's so bad. He is so bad. He's so bad. Yeah, he's actually so bad, man. How could you die? It's kind of like as a kill. He probably just looked on me for so long, and then he just fell. That's how he died. I'm just so... Bro! Oh, frick. Come on, spawn me! Bro, it's the same map again. Okay. It's gonna be tsunami, and I don't think it's gonna be a tsunami. It's gonna be virus again, or it's gonna be tornado. No, there's no clouds. So say we need to go high. Oh, lads, do you see the bacon here? Ah! It's shaking! Shaking! Oh, for lagging! Oh, it's shaking so badly. Well, I'm in the safest place right now. I'm just gonna be here in a safe place. What the Bro, this dumb tsunami destroyers. I say hello, sir. That was hard, man. This bro just bought a balloon. Bro, what the hell am I? Oh man, I hope if it's Toxic Rain, man, it's so good. I'm gonna survive here with ease. So easy. But if it's gonna be no, I say it's tornado. It's tornado. In case it's gonna be a tornado, I'll stay out here. Flood! Bro, we're climbing the roof. What the flip are you doing, lads? I'm gonna die, man. What the? Is there anyone alive? Lads, I want to ask you a question. There's no one around yet. When I remember I bought this thing and I got one. What does it do? Lads, please comment what this thing does. I really want to know. Please comment, lads. Please. And if you reached that far, can you please like and subscribe? If you reached that far. If you already subscribed, so well done. But leave a like. If you already left a like, well done, bro. Bro, respect to you. I'm not gonna go to the highest place. I have no idea what is about to happen. Oh, I'm gonna go there. It's the best place. Oh, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? I saw something there. Holy moly, that would be a compass. Crap, I just died. I just died by no reason, man. How? How did I die? There's tsunami coming. I have no idea how to do it. Oh, man. Everyone is gonna die here. Saying it. I saw compass. They all died. Oh my god. Freak. can only do the balloon. Okay, lads, it's gonna be the last game for today, and we're gonna beat it. We're gonna beat it. We gonna beat it. Yeah. Bro, no one literally survived. Bro, Tsunami is still there. Can I jump all the way there? Sky Tower. Listen, lads, if we're gonna get like 7 likes in this video, I will put a part 2 when I'm gonna put a video when I'm searching for compass. I have no idea what compass does, but it's gonna be an easy. It's gonna be easy. I'm gonna find a compass right now. Last time I saw something like this, I said it's gonna be on the top. Let me play like this. Break! Well, sorry, you probably can't see anything. Same as me, man. Bro, I tripped and I died. Okay, lads, if you like this video, like and sub. Bye bye.